सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। श्रीनिवास महोदय, अद्यतनी संख्या का वर्तते? एकोनपञ्चाशदुत्तर 549th क्लास, यत्र वयं गीता संग्रहं पठन्तः अग्रेसरामः। गीता संग्रहे एतावत् पर्यन्तम् अस्मिन् पुस्तके मन्ये कति श्लोकाः पठिताः? श्रीनिवास, श्लोकसंख्या उपरि न लिखितमस्ति। एतावत् पर्यन्तं पुस्तके अस्मिन् 19 श्लोकाः, 19 श्लोकः पठ्यमानः अस्ति इदानीम् अस्माभिः। अस्य पुस्तकस्य संख्या अस्ति 19 श्लोकसंख्या, परन्तु गीतायां भिन्नः तत्र जानन्ति। 9मः श्लोकः, 8म 9म श्लोकद्वयं तत्र पठ्यमानमस्ति अस्माभिः। तत्र पृष्ठाङ्कः 28-100 पृष्ठे भावार्थं किञ्चित् भावार्थः पठितः अस्माभिः। तत्र वाक्यद्वयं पठितं, तृतीयवाक्यतः प्रारभणीयः। सः दर्शनं, ततः स इति ततः
सः दर्शनं श्रवणं स्पर्शं घ्राणम् अश्नं गमनं स्वापं श्वासं
सल्लापं विसर्गं
ग्रहणम् उन्मेषं निवेशम् इत्यादीनि कर्माणि कुर्वन् अपि एतानि कर्माणि अहं न करोमि। प्रत्युत इन्द्रियाणि एव स्वस्वविषयेषु रूपादिषु व्यवहरन्ति इति मनसि धृत्वा निश्चयेन अहं किञ्चित् नैव करोमि इत्येवम् आत्मानं
कर्तृत्वाभिमानशून्यं मनुते इति दीर्घं वाक्यमस्ति। ततः देर् आफ्टर् पूर्वश्लोके कर्म कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते इति एतद्विरुद्धं इत्याशङ्क्य कर्तृत्व अभिमानशून्यत्वात् तत्र विरुद्धमपि समादत्ते आभ्यां श्लोकाभ्यां। सो what is said in the previous slokas, something opposite to that is also निष्काम कर्मणि सततं प्रवृत्तः पुरुषः क्रमेण परमार्थ स्वरूपं तत्त्वं जानाति। यः पुरुषः निष्काम कर्मणि युक्तः भवति परमार्थ स्वरूपं स एव जानाति क्रमशः इति। ततः देर् आफ्टर् सः योगी, कर्मयोगी, दर्शनं श्रवणं तत्र पश्यन् स्पृशन् इति यावन्तः शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तप्रयोगाः अनयोः द्वयोः श्लोकयोः मध्ये प्रयुक्ताः सन्ति, तेषां लुट् प्रयोगः अत्र। स्पृशन् इति स्पर्शनं, लुडन्तानि स्पर्शनं। ततः सः दट् योगी दर्शनं श्रवणं सीयिङ्ग् लिसनिङ्ग् टचिङ्ग् घ्राणं स्मेल्लिंग अशनम ईटिंग गमनम गोइंग स्वापम स्लीपिंग श्वासम ब्रीथिंग संलापम टॉकिंग विसर्गम क्रिएटिंग ग्रहणम एक्सेप्टिंग उन्मेषम ओपनिंग हिज आईज निमेषम क्लोजिंग हिज आईज इत्यादि कर्माणि, ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज कर्माणि कुर्वन्नपि, ऑल्दो डूइंग एतानि कर्माणि अहं न करोमि। ऑल्दो all these activities is performing, but with the understanding that etani karmani na aham karomi. प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः इति गीता प्रमाणं। तत्र प्रकृतिः सर्वं कारयति अस्मद्वारा। मत् शरीरम् उपयुज्य प्रकृतिः सर्वं कार्यं कारयति इति। इत्यादीनि कर्माणि कुर्वन्नपि दो डूइंग एतानि कर्माणि अहं न करोमि, आई एम नॉट डूइंग। प्रत्युता ऑन द अदर हैंड इंद्रियाणि एव, द सेंसेस ओनली Svavishayeshu, in their respective objects, Rupadishu, that is Netrayoho Tatra Rupa Darshana, Rupadishu. So whatever activities have been described, seeing, touching, smelling, etc. So the sense organs are Vishayeshu, in their objectives, Rupadishu Vyavaharanti, they are just acting, they are performing their duties. Senses are acting in respect to their objectives. Iti manase drutva, thinking like this in his mind, nishchayena, with a positive mind, aham kinjit naiva karomi, I am not doing positively anything, rather my sense organs are performing in accordance with the objects. Naiva karomi iti evam atmanam kartrutva abhimanya shunyam manute. He considers himself as atmanam, himself, abhimana shunyam, kartrutva abhimana shunyam. He considers himself as not doing anything, not acknowledging his authorship with regard to these. Next. Tatra Sravanam
Sparshanam Avagharanah Ashnam Cheti Chakshuradinam Panchajnanendriyanam Vyaparaha Santi.
Now is Bhavat. Tatra, there, Darshanam, Sravanam, Sparshanam, Avagranah. No. Seeing, listening, Darshanam, Sparshanam, touching and smelling, Ashanam, eating, etc. And the Chakshuradinam, Panchajnanendriyanam. These are the activities, Vyapara, activities of the five Jnanendriyas, through which you come to know. Panchajnanendriyanam. Gamanam Padayoho
Swapaha Buddhehe
Shwasa
Pranasya Pralapanam Vahindriyasya Visargaha Payupasthayoho Grahanam Hastayoho Unmesha Nimeshane Purmakhya Pranasya Karyani Bhavanti.
Now he is explaining the five Jnanendriyas are already explained. Tatra Darshanam. Then Gamanam Padayoho. Then the other Karmendriyas. Gamanam Khatam Bhavati Padadvara. Padabhyam Gamanam Bhavati. Ataha Gamanam Padayoho. Swapaha Nidra Buddhehi. Nidra Buddhehi. Shwasaha Pranasya. Pranakarnat Tatra Shwasaha Bhavati. Pralapanam Vagindriyasya. Speaking is because of the speech organ. Visargaha, excretion. Payu upastayoho, payu upastayoho. Payu is anus, upastaya is the organ of generation. Payu upastayoho, visarga. So these two organs excrete thing, whether it is anus or the organ of creation. Payu upastayoho, grahanam astayoho. Catching anything, accepting anything is the job of the hands. Unmesha nimeshane, opening the eyes, nimeshane, closing the eyes, is effected by kurma akhya pranasya. Kurma akhya pranasya. There is a upaprana called kurma. If you remember long back, I have also provided a note on this. Pancha pranaha santi eva sarve jananti. Pranapana apana vyana samana udana. Pranapana udana samana vyana iti tatra pancha pranaha santi. Pranaha hridi sthitaha bhavati, udanaha kante bhavati, vyana sarvavyapi asti, apana gudavaghe bhavati, evam rupena samana sarvat मध्य नाभौ समानः स्थितः इति वयं जानीमः. परन्तु एतेषां पंच प्राणानां उपरि प्राणान् अतिरिच्य लिविंग दीज पंच प्राणास् पंच उपप्राणाः अपि तत्र सन्ति इति शास्त्राणि कथयन्ति. ते सन्ति कूर्म इति एकः उपप्राणः, तत्र नाग इति एकः, धनञ्जय इति एकः अन्यः देवदत्तः इति एकः. तत्र पंच उपप्राणाः, तेषां नामानि एवं भवति. कूर्म कृकर देव नाग कूर्म कृकर पंच उपप्राणाः इति नाग अच्छा साइमल्टेनियसली विल टेल यू नाग वाचि वर्तते वाचि वाक् नाग वाचि वर्तते कूर्मः इति प्राणः नेत्रपक्ष्मणोः कूर्मः नेत्रपक्ष्मणोः that is responsible for the movement of the eyelashes कूर्म कृकरः कृकरः नेत्रयोः कृकरः इति उपप्राणः नेत्रयोः चालने तत्र उपयुक्तः भवति उपयोगी भवति देवदत्तः चतुर्थः कंठद्वारे देवदत्तः कंठद्वारे स्थितः भवति पंचमः धनंजयः हृदिस्थः हृदयस्थः so this is situated in the hridaya bhaga prana and this dhananjaya both are located in the hridaya prana is hridaya so here what is the reference here kurma akya pranasya what is the role of this kurma netra unmeshana netra pakshana so it helps in closing and opening the eyes so kurmakya pranasya it should not be said actually upapranasya kurmakyopapranasya would have been better the commentary but even the commentators our great acharyas also they have said it prana only kurmakya pranas cha karyani bhavanti so these are the activities of these things
etani karmani kurvan api teshu anahankarat tattvavit na lityate
so etani karmani kurvannapi all these activities though the karma yogi is performing undertaking teshu but still api teshu anahankarat anabhimanat anahankar because of this lack of ego ownership tattvavit the knower of the truth na lipyate he is not bound he is not tainted he is not tainted even while performing all these activities so I think next poem only we are getting a beautiful picture Padmapatra Mivambasa I think did it come already no it is coming next how is a yogi is like a Padmapatra though Padmapatra lives in the water Padmapatram jaleva vasamanamapi tatra nivasat jalena na klidyate it is not moistened by the water so like that a yogi should be yogi means yogi's mind should become like a Padmapatra that is what we are going to see next so avabodha abhyasa Srinivas okay sir karma kurvan tattvavit katham karma bandhanat muktah bhavati how does the knower of the truth tattvavit get released from the karma bandhana while doing the karma निष्काम कर्मणि नित्यं प्रवृत्तः मानवः क्रमेण बंधनात् मुक्तः भवति that is the answer should be what is given you have to search you can also write in your notes if you want निष्काम कर्मणि नित्यं प्रवृत्तः मानवः क्रमेण बंधनात् मुक्तो भवति तत्ववित् or you can say निष्काम कर्मणि प्रवृत्तः तत्ववित् अहंकार कुर्वन्नपि अहंकार अनहंकारतः अहंकाररहितः बन्धनात् मुक्तः भवति also तृतीयं प्रश्नः अस्ति कानि ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि तेषां कर्माणि च कानि what are the organs of knowledge and what are their functions श्रोत्र त्वक् चक्षुर जिह्वा नासिका एतानि ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि सन्ति श्रोत्र त्वक् चक्षुर जिह्वा नासिका इति पंच ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि तेषां कर्माणि कानि श्रोत्र शब्द श्रवणं स्पर्शनं darshanam, ashanam. If you take all shravanam, sparshanam, darshanam, ashanam, granam, nasikayah granam asti. So these are the activities of the organs. Tritiya prashna, karmendriyanam vyaparan likhatu. Write the activities of the organs of action. What are the karmendriyas? Basically, vak, hasta, pada, payu, upasthaha. Vagasta pada, payu, upasthaha, karmendriyani. So, what is the function of vak? Samlapam, bhashanam, samlapam. Astayoho grahanam, padayoho gamanam, पायोः विसर्जनम और पायूपस्थयोः विसर्ग जननादि पायोः विसर्जनम उपस्थस्य जननादि जनरेशन आदि व्यापाराः सन्ति. इज इट ओके? वाक् पाणि पाद पायूपस्थाः कर्मेन्द्रियाणि तेषां व्यापाराः एवं वर्तन्ते. संलाप ग्रहण गमन विसर्जन विसर्ग जननादि व्यापाराः. Then fourth is there निद्रा कस्य कर्म? बुद्धेः. The activity of the intelligence is sleep. श्वासः कस्य व्यापारः? Breathing is whose the activity of what? Pranasya. Shvasah pranasya. Sankocha vikasau kesham karye staha. Contraction and expansion are the activities in which domain of whose activities are vikasau कूर्माख्य उपप्राणस्य. Yes, कार्ये स्तः. But he has unnecessarily given केशम कस्य कार्ये स्तः. Okay. इंद्रियाणाम अर्थान लिखतु. अर्थान. अच्छा, okay. Write the names of the indriyas. Objects of senses. Artha means here the objects of the senses. Darshana, Shravana, Sparshana, Avagrahana, Ashana, Gamanam, yes, Swapaha, Shwasaha, yes, all. Yes, ityadi. इंद्रियाणाम अर्थेषु व्यवहारः कीदृशः? इंद्रियाणाम अर्थेषु व्यवहारः. वन वर्ड यू कैन यूज हियर. इंद्रियाणाम अर्थेषु सदृशः व्यापारः भवति, व्यवहारः भवति. सिमिलर नेत्रयोः दर्शनम सूटेबल ना. सो इंद्रियाणाम अर्थेषु व्यवहारः कीदृशः? समानः सदृशः भवति. श्लोकस्य केन वाक्यांशेन कर्तृत्व अभिमान शून्यता अर्थः निस्सरति. The absence of the authorship comes, the meaning of the absence of the word telling us kartrutva abhimana shunyata, absence of the ego comes from which word of the sloka? Which part of the sentence rather tells us these? नैव किंचित करोमीति. नैव किंचित करोमीति. पश्यन् इत्यादिषु चतुर्दशसु पदेषु कः प्रत्ययः किं लिंगं का च विभक्तिः? पश्यन् इति तत्र चतुर्दश कृदन्त प्रत्ययाः उपयुक्ताः सन्ति. तेषु पदेषु चतुर्दश पदेषु कः प्रत्ययः? शत्रु प्रत्ययान्त. शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तः किं लिङ्गं पुंलिङ्गं का च विभक्तिः स्पृशन् गच्छन् जिघ्रन् प्रथमा खलु प्रथमा विभक्ति गच्छन् गच्छन्तो गच्छन्तः स्पृशन् स्पृशन्तो स्पृशन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः प्रथमा विभक्तिः शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तः शत्रुप्रत्ययः पुंलिङ्गकः शब्दः विभक्तिः प्रथमा व्याकरणाभ्यास श्रीनिवास नैव न एव यस् डन् वृद्धिसन्ति करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत मन्येत new terms his book is giving bhava sah ukara okay then pashyan shrunvan shutva chatva sprushan jigran जिघ्रन नश्नन न्यमुडागम that is अनुनासिक द्वित्व संधि स्वपन श्वसन चत्व संधि गृह्णन उन्मिशन अनुनासिक then निमिशन नपि अनुनासिक इंद्रियाणि इंद्रियार्थेषु इंद्रियार्थेषु सवर्णदीर्घस्य वर्तन्त इति यलोपसन्धि लोपः शाकल्यस्य दट् इस् प्रदत्ताः प्रश्नाः उत्तरणीयाः ओके अनयोः श्लोकयोः कति सन्धयः प्रयुक्ताः के च ते यू कैन लिस्ट आउट हियर मोस्टली हियर दीर्घसंधि गुणसंधि चत्वसंधि न्यमुडागम संधि अनुनासिक द्वित्व संधि व्हाट मोर सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि लोपः यलोप संधि दैट इज श्लोकाभ्यां दीर्घ संधेः सर्वाणि उदाहरणानि लेख्यानि सो इज आस्किंग यू टू लिस्ट आउट करोमीति श्रीनिवास इंद्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु इंद्रियाणीन्द्रियम देन इंद्रियार्थेषु सो दीज आर द एतानि त्रीणि तत्र दीर्घसन्धेः सवर्णदीर्घसन्धेः उदाहरणानि नेक्स्ट पद्ययोः न्यमुडागमस्य कानि उदाहरणानि जिघ्रन्नपि गृह्णन्नपि निमिषन्नपि यत्र द्वित्वं दृश्यते तद् अनुनासिक द्वित्वसन्धि श्चुत्वसन्धेः छत्वसन्धेः च वर्णानि उदाहरणानि पदाभ्यां that you can take from first one in this page पश्यन् शृण्वन् yes स्वपन श्वसन गृह्णन उन्मिशन no not that no chitva only you have to take that's all over अधः उदाहरणेषु संधि विधेय नाम च लेखनी ओके रामः नाम संधि संधिं करोतु रामो नाम नाम विसर्ग सुग्रीवः वानराधिपः वानराधिपः पुनः विसर्ग सर्वतः गृहमुख्यानि सर्वतो गृहमुख्यानि सर्वदा एव सर्वदैव वृद्धि अत्र वृद्धि सर्वदैव सदा एव कथं भवति सदैव न एनं नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति वृद्धिसन्धि जघान एनाम आ प्लस ए जगानैनाम जघानैनाम वृद्धि संधि. सो अत्र बहूनि सन्ति, बट इन दिस पेज एतेषु षट्सु प्रथम 3 सन्धयः विसर्गसन्धयः, अनन्तरत्रयः सन्धयः वृद्धि संधयः. नौ 7th one दुष्कुले उत्पन्नम. नो यलोप संधि. दुष्कुल उत्पन्नम. ए इज देना दुष्कुल, like you can see that vartante iti, vartanta iti. Actually दुष्कुलै it becomes, ya is dropped, I becomes la, becomes lai, दुष्कुलै. Then ya yakarasya lopa bhavati. So we did not study that in detail, but it's an exception. दुष्कुल उत्पन्नम. त्वयि गते आगतः. त्वयि गता, गते becomes gata आगतः, again yalopasan. सूर्ये उदिते, sorry, सूर्य उदिते. For example, you take this te eva, ta eva, ta eva. Then no further sandhi will be done on that now. Tat chintyam. This is chutva sandhi. Tat chintyam. Takarasya chakarah. Tat chintyam. So double cha comes here, chutva. Next is also chutva. Tasmat jatam. This ta here becomes ja. So as I told you, linguistically it is called progressive assimilation. Jakara assimilating takara into its fold. Tasmat jatam. The same thing is tat chintyam also above. Ta is changed to sto chunachu, that is vidyarthin seshe. Hey vidyarthin, O student, seshe, tvam seshe, you are sleeping. The meaning of this, O student, you are sleeping. So what happens here? Hey vidyarthin, no, this is chutva only. Vidyarthin cheshe. Vidyarthin chutva chatva. Vidyarthin cheshe. Shriman ayahi. Anunasika ditva. Shriman ayahi. Oh sir, please come. Asmin upavane. Again ditva. Asmin upavane. Anunasika ditva. In this garden, asmin upavane pushpani na santi. Etat sramana gruham. Etat shramana gruham or etat shramana gruham chatva sandhi. This is the house of the monk Shramana, Buddhist monk Shramana. Etat shramana gruham. Some very this thing. Now we go to samasa. Indriyartheshu explained. Indriyanam arthaha, the objects of the senses. Iti indriyarthaha. Teshu, in those objects. Teshu. Shashti tatpurusha. We know that. Now we have to try this. Sorry. You can read.
Krushaka gramat annam ayati.
Food comes from the village of the farmer. Krushaka gramat annam ayati. Annam agachati. Ayati nama. Now what are you supposed to do? Explain the word samasa of the word underline. Krushaka gramat. How do you explain this in words? You can put it in Bahuvachana or Ekavachana. Krushakasya gramat, Krushakanam grama. कृषकस्य ग्रामात् और कृषकाणां ग्रामात् षष्ठी तत्पुरुष ते अन्नम आयाति. Food is coming from the village of the farmers or village of the farmer, whichever is. आभीर पल्लीषु ते निवसन. They live in the place, in the Palli means a gram also, of the cowherd. Abhira is a cowherd. Abhira Pallishu te nivasanti. Like I think the Telugu word Palle is from Sanskrit Palli. Abhiranam, because Abhira is a cowherd here. Village, Palli is village. Abhiranam Pallishu te nivasanti. They live in the villages of the cowherds. Abhira Pallishu. Yeah, next. Karna Vivare, not Karna, Dirgha. Vivaraha Nama Randraha, whole. Karna Randraha. Karna Vivare, Karna Randre na patanti. Why patanti? What is the sentence? If patati is sufficient, na? Karnasya vivare. Vivara is a hole, a slit. Karna vivare na patati. Something is not fitting or falling into the ear hole. But patanti is, I don't know. So you make it singular, it becomes good. Karnasya vivare na patati. Smriti patham arudhaha. Come to the memory. Has come to my memory. Mama smriti patham arudhaha. Yes, come on to the my memory. Yes, smritehe patham. Smriti patham. Smritehe pataha, smriti pataha, tam smriti patham. Pantha. Pantha. No, this is pati shabda. Patha shabda only. Okay. Next. Huh? It has come to my memory. Smriti patham agataha. Aruda means it has climbed my memory. I remember it. Yeah, next one. What is that? Pashyanti. They are seeing the beauty of the garden. Yeah, that is very. Upavanasya shobha, upavanasya shobha, tam upavana shobham. If you further analyze it, upavanasya shobha is equal to upavana shobha, tam upavana shobham pashyanti. Te pashyanti, they are seeing it. Next. Murdhni padanyasam akarot. Padanyasam. Pada shabda is a prayoga, not pada. So you have pada as well as pada also. Padayoha nyasam, padanyasam, stepping. Pada, tatra pada sthapanam. Murdhni shirasi mastake padanyasam akarot. Somebody put, that is Vishnu, Sri Mahavishnu, kasya murdhni padanyasam akarot? Bali Chakravarti. Bali Chakra, Balehe Murdhni padanyasam akarot. That is. Padayoho nyasaha padanyasaha tam padanyasam. So this is also Tatpurusha Samasa. Nyasa means placing, putting, foot, placing the foot, keeping the foot. Evam rupena samasaha samaptaha. No, Tattvam, acha, Vigrahavakyam samastam rupam lekhaniya. Again is not leaving you. Tattvam veti iti tattva vid. Quip. pratyaya. Krut pratyaya upapada samasa also it is. Veti iti, kumbham karoti iti kumbhakaraha, stock, remember. Now, jnanam veti iti becomes, like if tattvam veti iti tattvavit, it is become. So, jnanam veti iti jnanavit, jnanavid. Dakaranta shabda, jnanavid, jnanavid, jnanavidau, jnanavidaha, jnanavit. Then, bhuvam bhunakti iti. Bhuva bhuk. Bhuva bhuk, bhuva bhujau, bhuva bhujah. Jakaranta shabda it becomes. Bhuvam bhunakti. One who enjoys the world. Bhuvam bhunakti, enjoys. Then payaha munchati iti. This you can tell, very simple. Payaha jalam munchati iti payomuk. Payomuch shabda, chakaranta. Payomuk, payomuchau, payomuchaha. Payaha munchati. Megha. Megha payomuk asti. Muk is formed by the derivation munchati iti muk. Much. Munchati iti, releaser. Releaser. Water, if you literally put it into English, payomuk is water releaser. You may say tap is also water releaser. But this is Rudi Artha is Megha. Payaha munchati iti payomuk. Therefore, it becomes payomuk. Payomuch chakaranta shabda. Srinivas, you know what chakaranta you studied? Jalamuch. Jalam munchati iti jalamuk. Jalamuk, jalamuchau, jalamuchaha. Jalamucham, jalamuchau, jalamuchaha. Jalamucha, jalamukbhyam, jalamukbihi. So this is chakaranta pumlinga shabda. Payomuk, jalamuk, or like that. The last one, madhuni iti. Madhuni ledi iti madhulit. Madhulih shabda. This is hakaranta shabda. Madhulit or madhu. Madhulit, lid. Lit or lid it becomes madhulit, madhulihau, madhulihaha. Liha shabda comes from liha dhatu. Lady, leadaha, lihanti. Lady means not English lady. He is licking. I will tell you one sloka is there. Lekhyam is what is lickable. Yeah. Lekhyam. Liha dhato. Lekhyam. Nopabhoktum na tyaktum shaknoti vishayan jari. Nopabhoktum na tyaktum shaknoti vishayan jari. Jari means vruddhaha. यदि कश्चित् वृद्धः अस्ति चेत् सः उपभोक्तुं न शक्नोति, त्यक्तुमपि न शक्नोति विषयान्. Old man is neither able to give up the sensory objects nor enjoy. Nirdashana shveva. Panchatantra calls him Nirdashana shva iva, kukkura iva. He is like a dog without teeth. He is like a toothless dog. Jihvaya ledhi kevalam. He only, like what does the dog do? Toothless dog, it only licks the bones with its tongue. Jihvaya ledhi kevalam. Upabhoktum na shaknoti shva kukkuraha tyaktum api na shaknoti. Evameva jari vruddhaha vishayan tyaktum na prabhavati na ichchati. उपभोक्तुम न शक्नोति, त्यक्तुम न इच्छति, उपभोक्तुम न शक्नोति. तस्य तत्र वर्णनं शुनकेन तत्र कृतमस्ति. निर्दशनः श्वेव जिह्वया लेढि केवलम. So that liha dhatu is beautifully used there, leedi. Like a dog licks the bones, unable to eat or throw it off. So here madhuni ledi iti. Madhulit means what is madhulit? It is the honeybee. Madhukaraha rather, madhukaraha. So madhulit, this you have to look into your Shabda Manjari. Akaranta, madhulit, madhulih shabda. Madhulit, madhulihau, madhulihaha, madhuliham, madhulihau, madhulihaha, etc. Madhulihe, etc. It goes, Srinivas. So please look into that Akaranta Shabda. This is Madhuledi iti, Madhuni ledi iti, Madhulit. Krutpratyanta. Yathochitam mele. Now some, I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. How do you join them? Buddhihi. What is the activity of the buddhi? No, activities. Swapanti. Shrutibhyam. Then what is he saying? Uchitam melanam, you should write on the right side. 1 is equal to ga. 2 is equal to ka. Karena. No. Karena grupnanti. Yeah. Yes. No, if Karena grupnanti, if you take, what will you take? Spushanti? Touching with hand, huh? I think Karena, not grupnanti, Spushanti. 3 ka, Srinivas. Nasikaya, no problem. Nya, Jigranti. Modakam, Ashnanti, eating. Vidyapeetham, Gachanti. Pustakam, Gruhnanti. But here, these are all strilingas. I don't know why he is given strilingas. Buddhi is strilinga, I can understand. Buddhihi, Swapanti, Shrutibhyam, Shrunvati, Karena, Spushanti, Pustakam, Gruhnanti. So it's all strilinga only, etc. So Karaka Sambandha, sorry. You can do that now. It's simple. Manyeta, main. Indriyartheshu, Karta, iti. Sambadhnati. Now this is used iti, like reporting speech. Aham nagacchami iti saha avadat. I am not coming. I am not going to come. Thus he said. Iti thus. Reported speech, direct speech you use iti. Tattvavit karomi pashyan dharayan viseshan kinchit karma vartante kartari gauna kriya aham indriyani karta. So karta is indriyani here. Paryaya shabdaha. Now you have to show Srinivas. Nyayena yujyate yuktam. What is united with justice? Yuja yoge, 7th conjugation, to unite. Yunakti, yungtaha, yunjanti. This is the derivation. In third person, second person, yunakshi, yungtaha, yungtha. Uttama Purushe, yunajmi, yunjvaha, yunjmaha. Oh, yunjmaha, ja is gone. Yunjama has come. Kshamyatam tatra mudrana uttankana dosha. Yeah, yunjmaha. But you can understand that. Aupaikaha. So the Kosha tells us upaya eva aupayikam. Aupayikam. What is upaya means expedient. So upaya itself is aupayikam, they say. Proper right, etc. Upaya tak. So that is how it is formed. Then sahitaha.
Itena sahitaha. Saha is
Itach. Itena saha vartamanascha samyuktaha. What is again with united with benefit, good thing. Hitena sahita. Sahitya like. Itena sahitaha. Sahitaha, sahitasya bhavaha sahitya. From this only you get sahitya shabda. Hitena sahitaha, sahitam sahitaha, sahitasya bhavaha sahityam. So, any sahitya has at the core, bottom of it, hita. Literature is intended to give counsel, advice, message to the society. That is called sahityam. So, man who studies Sahitya literature, his mind will be cultured. Because there is lot of hita in it. Bhajamanaha, Srinivas.
Nyayam bhajate bhajamanam, which gets to the justice. Bhaja sevayam, to serve honor.
Well, this Paryaya Pada I am not very... otherwise, that is what is explained, we leave it. Tattvam, this is very important for us.
Tasya bhavaha yatharthyai.
Yatharthye. Yatarthye, not yatharthye.
Yatharthye swarupe brahmani cha.
So, now, first you stop there. In these senses it is understood. What is Tattvam? Tasya bhavaha. It is its abstractness. Tasya bhavaha. Now, later we will understand what is Tasya. Yatarthye means in reality. In reality. Brahmani cha, and also Tattvam refers to Brahma, the supreme being. Swarupe. Swarupe also. In one's real identity. Swarupe Brahmani cha. So Taditi, now the commentators have beautifully explained. Read, Srinivas.
Taditi sarvanama sarvam cha brahma tasya nama sarvanama tasya bhava.
This is beautifully explained. Taditi sarvanama, you know, tat shabda. Sahastaute, sate, tahatate, taniti. Taditi sarvanama sarvam cha brahma. How beautifully they have explained. Taditi sarvanama sarvam cha brahma. Sarvantaryami brahma. Tasya nama sarvanama. Tasya bhavaha tattvam va. Beautifully explained. Now here I remember this sloka from the Srimad Bhagavata. Vadanti tattva vidas tattvam yad jnanamadvayam. Brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti shabdyati. So the ultimate truth is called by so many names here. Vadanti, they say, tattva vidaha. Just now we studied tattvam veti iti tattvavit. Tattvavit, tattvavidau, tattvavidaha. Vadanti tattva vidaha tattvam. What are they talking about? Calling the tattvam? Tattvam yad jnanam avyayam. Yad avyayam jnanam asti, which is indimishable knowledge. What are they calling that avyayam jnanam? Brahma iti. Vedantins call Brahma. Paramatma, they also call it Paramatma. Paramatma iti, all sandhis are coming. Brahma iti, Paramatma iti, Bhagavan iti shabdyati. It is called by these three names. Brahma, Paramatma, Bhagavan iti shabdyati. Srimad Bhagavatam. So here we get the Tattva Shabda. Now you understand, this is the beautiful explanation. Taditi sarvanama, sarvam cha brahma, tasya nama sarvanama, tasya bhavaha tattvam. Beautiful. Yathartha swarupam, Srinivas. Artham anatikramya, Veyi bhava samasa. Like, I'll give one more example. Yatha shakti, shaktim anatikramya, yatha buddhi, buddhim anatikrumya, not going beyond one's shakti, not going beyond one's intelligence. Yatha buddhi kathayami. I am telling you as per my buddhi. Yatha shakti kartum ichhami. I like to do as per my capacity. So in that sense, avyayi bhava samadhi. Yatha is avyaya, na? Yatha is not a shabda, it is avyaya. So whatever samasa is made with avyayas, they are called avyayi bhava samadhi. Next. Yatha tatam, yatha tathyam. They are all again same. Yatha tathyena, in accordance with the truth. So that means yatha tatam means tatam anatikramya, yatha tatyam anatikramya, tatyam anatik. So these are used adverbially, avyaya rupa, rupena prayujyanti etani trini. These are given, so I have given in accordance with the truth. Example. Yatha tatham bhakti sabhasu vidwan. Vidwan pandita sabhasu, in the assemblies, yatha tatham bhakti, he speaks the real thing, not going beyond. Yatha tatham, yathartham, yathartham kathayati iti sabhasu. Can we stop here? Shubham bhuyat.